We're here today to talk a little bit about these incredible tools. My favourite, well, you don't need two, but I've got two today. My absolute favourite face massage tools that are Mauli's tension release domes. I use them in every treatment I do with my clients. Just to give you a bit of background on myself, I'm the Mauli specialist therapist at the Bulgari Spa in Knightsbridge, and I have a private practice at home too. So I'm always doing lots of Ayurvedic treatments, and these tools are an absolute must to use in any treatment. Even if it's a main focus is on the body, I will always finish with these on the face and the head. So before you start, we want to always make sure that your skin's nice and clean and clear. So giving it however you clean it. Mauli has an incredible face cleanser that you can use, oil cleanser with a muslin, or you might have whatever skincare regime you have at home. And face massage is the one, if you're going to do one thing for your beauty regime and for your health, your sort of mental health really, self-massage on the face and head can be so powerful. From a beauty perspective, it helps to keep circulation, it helps to keep helps to sort of manage fine lines and keep your skin looking glowing and healthy and fresh. From a mental perspective, face and head massage is hugely important. Really helps to calm the central nervous system. So after giving your face a nice cleanse, you want to always start a face massage with a beautiful serum, something that helps to glide everything around. So we're going to use the Mauli Supreme Skin Serum. So when we're massaging the face, we also want to make sure that we're doing our neck and the sort of lower clavicle area as well. So the reason why these tools are so special and different to any other massage tool out there is there's obviously a lift and sculpt way of working, which is incredible, and we're going to show you how that works on the skin today. So there's a real beauty aspect of lifting, sculpting, smoothing, and giving your skin a glow. But it works on a much deeper level than that. So the special metals that this dome is made up of is this. So here we've got, it's a handcrafted tool, and it's a beautiful wooden base, which is easy to grasp. I've got two of them. Yeah, it's really easy just to hold however you want to clutch it. I like to hold it like that for my finger.
Yeah, nice.
And then the ball is made up of Kansa metal, which is an ancient Ayurvedic kind of gathering of metals, which is copper, a tiny trace of tin, and some zinc. And what makes this combination of metals so special is it activates the Marma energy points within the body. So we're not only working on a physical level, we're working on a really much deeper energetic, emotional level. The Marma points are the junctions within the body. So you've got your serum on, and then the point is that we want to start off, there's lots of different movements. We're going to start off, I always like to start with the chin, so we're just sort of gliding up. You don't need to put loads of pressure on, just gliding up the skin.
Feels so nice, doesn't it? Like really smooth.
When you're doing this, just bear in mind that if you're going to, the most amount of pressure you want to put on is like on the outwards pull, so the upwards and outwards. So I sort of tend to apply more pressure, and you can tell that when you're in that corner, especially in the jaw, you can really get a bit of a massage in there. So we've got movements that go upwards. We can do circular movements. So I'm just doing it into my jaw.
Feels so lovely with the serum, like it really glides, doesn't it?
So you don't need to really there's no force there, it's just this gliding. And then just always remember that when you're working with face massage, you're wanting to, there's a real opportunity for you to do lymphatic drainage as well. So when we're doing that, we're always wanting to glide everything down so that it can come down through to the lymph nodes. That's the first kind of movement, up and then down. We can do circular movements, so around the jaw like that. Gliding movements like this. This one's beautiful. So this is going like under the zygomatic bone, and you can lift it, press it into your ear side. And here, I don't know about you, but I get really tight around my suboccipital muscles and my neck. So this is just a really beautiful way. There's something to know which makes this tool also quite magical, is that when you, depending on what's going on in the body, The tool will activate certain toxins that are in acidity that's in the body and help draw it out. So it's detoxifying as much as it is lifting, and as much as it is rebalancing you. The massages that got the chin, we're going up and down. We can do it across the cheekbone. We can bring it down, and then this for me is where it starts to get really juicy, because you can go around. You don't realise how much tension you're holding in your eyebrows, and then in your temples here. I'll always say to my clients that this is the one thing, again, you know, they can take home for themselves. So if you do suffer from anxiety, stress, restlessness, not being able to sleep so much, which we all pretty much have been going through at different points, especially recently, this is such a great way to calm everything down. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, you can just start massaging your face with this, and you'll feel where the tension is, and that's where you can really go deeper. So just to sort of give you a bit more guidance on a routine. So we've gone round the eyes. You can actually do the whole round the eyes. And I always get a bit lost around here, because if you go into your head, I get a lot of tension around above the ear here. It's actually a little, really tender.
Yeah. Your temple too, right?
Yeah, and your temples. So you've got that kind of gliding out, and just get lost in your head. I mean, you can do as much in your head as you want, but whilst we just to finish the face, another really beautiful movement to do on the face is this sort of zigzag movement. So going up and down. Remember, we're pushing the pressure that goes more on that upwards stroke. This is you can do it in 5 minutes. You can do it just for a few minutes, or you can spend a good half hour on it. In Ayurveda, we're always talking about abhyangas, and ideally, doing one every day, every morning as you start your day as part of your morning routine is ideal, really. But I understand that realistically, not everybody's going to have time to give themselves a massage, or at least they won't feel like they've got the time.
Yeah.
But doing this face treatment, you could do it. You could be sat at your laptop and having a moment just reading emails, if that's what you have to do, and still do it. You could be on the move on the tube and get your wand out. What I love about these tools is they're so tiny, you can keep them in your handbag. So when you're travelling and you're restless on a flight, or you've got a bit of a tension headache whilst you're up in the air, you can use these.